Hi friends, in this video we'll be seeing how to install Binance app in your desktop PC or your laptop PC. For that, go to the website binance.com, then scroll down. Here you will see an option scan and download. Along with that you will see many icons like Mac, Windows and Linux. So click on the OS icon which you are using. I'm using a Windows OS, so I'll be downloading that. Click on that OS button. Once the setup file is downloaded, click on that. Then select your language. Click install. Once the installation is complete, click on the finish button. You will also get a shortcut icon in your desktop. If you click on that, the app will be opened. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.